Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Floyd and this is Floyd's Tech Reviews and we're making another video. Alright, so I just came back from Best Buy and I just got a mouse pad along with a new keyboard to continue my desk setup. Wasn't able to get a mouse just yet. I have my eye on a wireless Corsair mouse, and I'll be sure to share that with y'all whenever I get that. But as of right now, we're just gonna go through the unboxing and walk you through everything. As you can tell, I cleared off some stuff from my desk. I got rid of the other monitor, the speakers that were back there. I got rid of those as well. So I just wanted to have more of a clean look. So the mouse pad that I got is the Corsair MM700 RGB, and let's go ahead and unbox this right quick. Oh wait, there's more. But yeah, the reason I got this one because it had RGB lights on the side, and I like the accents. I know I could have found one cheaper, but I like what I like. If you just want a bigger mouse pad for your desk setup, you can find one for like $20, $30. This one right here is $60 from Best Buy. They had them in stock locally, so I picked it up. Grab it from one side. I'll throw this to the side. There's some more stuff in here. What am I doing? Party foul. There we go. Now nothing else in there. Alright, so when you get it, it's in this brown roll. Just gonna sit that down there. I believe it's upside down. This little module here goes at the top right side. And I'm gonna set this camera down and I'm gonna roll it out right quick because I got too much going on. Alright, and boom, just like that. This is what it looks like rolled out. It's actually way bigger than what I was expecting it to be, but it's all good. I actually like the size. I haven't plugged it in just yet, but on the sides here, it has RGB lights, kind of to go along with the theme, you know, all these RGBs. But yeah, this desk setup's coming along pretty well. And I finally got a new keyboard to replace this old, ugly looking thing. And earlier today I took out the little holder that was holding my keyboard because I wanted everything to be on a level surface. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything up and then we're gonna start the keyboard unboxing. So yeah, gonna do that right quick. Oh, one last thing. This comes with a USB-C cable, so USB-A. You plug this USB-C to this little adapter here. And this actually is a hub for your wireless mouse, and you can plug in your keyboard as well here if you would like. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So once you plug this in, run it to your computer, and you got like a mini USB hub. So that's also a benefit of this $60 mouse pad. So it's not just the lights or whatever, but you also get that. It's nice that they threw that in there. But alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so we got everything plugged in. You can see the accent lights. They changing slowly but surely. It's a nice little add on there. And for the keyboard that I got, it's a Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. Unlike the keyboard that I had now, it's a better quality mechanical keyboard. Has MX Cherry keys. Works on PC, Mac, Xbox One, Q, RGB. And I had to go actually in person in Best Buy to see which keyboard that I liked. I was actually looking for a keyboard in like the $40 range, but when I went in person, I didn't like the way that they felt, and I figured this is the one that I liked, so this is the one I picked up. And the only sacrifice that I had to make was getting the mouse later, because I actually want a wireless mouse. And Corsair has one, but it's like $91. I didn't have enough money to get it all today, but I spent all of my extra budget on the keyboard. And yeah, so we're gonna do this unboxing as well. Got two little tabs here. I think you gotta flip this thing over and pull it up, there we go. Just like that. Alright, so you got the keyboard itself. It has this nice quality cord too. That's the first thing I noticed unboxing this. Let's see what all comes in the box here. This cord is pretty thick though. It's thick, son. Alright, and then you have in here, I guess, the instructions or guides. Oh, you got tools. You got keycap replacers. I don't really know too much about this, guys. If you're really into PCs, I'm sorry. This is my first ever quality keyboard, but I'm sure I'll learn it. There's no problem. Oh, you got the WASD. Those of you who game WASD, you can make these keycaps different color. I guess this is the pull tool to take the caps off, so that's pretty cool. Comes with these. Got extra keycaps here that are blue. Got a Corsair logo key. I guess that you can reprogram these, and you get the book too, and it's gonna actually show you how to do all this extra stuff. Let's see if there's anything else that comes in here. Okay, so there's one more thing in the box. It's the rest for your wrist. The most important part, how could I forget? So yeah, after that, it was under this little tab. So whenever you get it, don't throw the box away. Just continue looking. You lift that up. There's nothing under there, so that's everything. Alright, so now I'm going to go over the basic functions of the keyboard. I got my little guide here to help me out a little bit. So you're probably wondering how you change the colors. You hit this button here and it'll change the color profile. So you notice RGB is going in a circle, and now it's going kind of in a wave left to right. Hit it again, and you can change these presets in the IQ app, and I'm gonna show that to you in a little bit. So that's how you change the color. You got the brightness of your keyboard here. You can turn the lights off completely. You got 3 levels. 1 level is the dullest, 2, 3 is the brightest, and that's it. Keep it at 3 for the purpose of this video. You got your window lock. So if you're in a game and you accidentally press the window button, nothing will happen. So you turn that, you hit the window, see it pop up. So that's all that does. So you got your Corsair logo. Also has its own RGBs, which is pretty cool. And you got your reprogrammable keys for streaming or editing or whatever that you want to do with it. That's through Elgato Stream Deck, this app right here. And you can program those keys to whatever you want it to be. You got the volume switch here, volume control, up, down. You got mute. You got all your media controls here. And that's pretty much it. All the other stuff is pretty much basic. So if you go here, you have to go to Google, type in IQ, and click on the second link. and it'll send you a download link to this right here. And once you get that, you go to lighting effects. So every time you click this key, you're just changing one profile. So this is profile number 1, and you can see the it says default profile. So as soon as you hit that key, you got different profile names. So you have to customize them per profile. So I didn't get that at first. It's kind of confusing, but that's how you do it. So you have a bunch of options. You got color shift. That's when it's everything that happens on the keyboard is showing you an example right here on the screen. So you got color shift, goes in between colors. You got spiral rainbow, which is, goes in a spiral. The wave, the one I was showing you also earlier. Then they got color pulse. It just pulsates and changes colors while it's doing that. You got visor, it goes back and forth. This is rain. I like the way rain looks actually. Changes it a little bit. You got type lighting. So as you're typing, it changes the lights. And then when you're not typing, obviously nothing happens. Void visualizer. I still haven't figured out what exactly this one does. So I have to play around with that one a little bit. And you got water color. And you change that. That's the one that I have with the red, white, and blue. You can change the colors here or alternate between colors like that, red and blue, and it looks like that. Has a pretty cool effect. I can't remember what I had this one on. I think it was color shift, so I'm gonna put it back on that. And these are all just presets. So you'll notice I also have this Corsair mouse pad, and you can set the presets as well. So there's 3 tabs. You got the custom tab, predefined, and light linking. Light linking is just links the lights between the keyboard and the mouse pad to make sure that they match. So you'll notice when it's on spiral rainbow, if you click it on the right tab with the light linking, the mouse pad matches the keyboard. And same with all these other ones. So I got, let's do color shift. It color shifts together. And so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, if you have it, just play around with it. But this is where you control all the colors and stuff like that. So this is essential. I'm pretty sure anything else Corsair, it's gonna link it together. So if you have a mouse or a fan or something like that, it's gonna link it all together. Yeah, this is nice. Let me step back so you can see the whole setup again. Yeah, this is really nice. It's coming together. I'm not completely done with it yet. I still want a nice quality speaker for this desk setup. I was looking at the Harman Kardon, I think it was Sound Stick. I think they are on version 4 now, but whatever the latest version is, that's the one that I want. It goes with the clear theme that I have going on with the desk. And I think that would be pretty nice. And then I'll be ready to do some wire management on this side. I just don't want to do it just yet because I'm not finished, like I said. And though this isn't the Corsair keyboard, the Corsair mouse, it actually looks really nice because it has some RGBs built into it as well. It's just not wireless. And it has this little, whatever that is. I don't know if it's Chinese, Japanese, or pictures or something. I don't know. And it got this, whatever that, I think it's Chinese. But it's a cheaper brand, but it's a nice quality mouse. So that's why I'm not really too much in a hurry to change it. But I do like the lights that's built into this, and it goes along with everything else pretty nice. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. I appreciate you for stopping by and watching my video, and there's much more to come. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.